Most builders get stuck on the same thing, a blank page. Even with hundreds of templates, it's hard to find one that matches your exact use case. That's where Onepage's Remix with AI feature comes in. Instead of starting from scratch, you can take an existing template and let AI adapt it. New copy, new visuals, new structure, all within seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. Okay, so first, from your Onepage dashboard, we're gonna head over to the template section. So I'm gonna go to Create Project, and then now I'm in Templates. So we can choose from any of these. You can scroll through until you find a page layout that you like. Maybe it's a portfolio, an agency, or a lead capture page. But for this example, I'm going to use the product page. So I'll click into this. And before we begin remixing this template with AI, let's take a look at what it entails. So we have a really nice hero section with a nice call to action. We have some different features here. We have a really nice quiz, which type of product fits you. So you can go through all of these different steps. You can see that there's a few here. And then further down, we have a really nice gallery that explains some features of the product. We have some specs, a testimonial section, a nice gallery, and then we have a nice footer. So this is a super simple template, but I really like the way everything is laid out. I like how simple it is. I like how clean it is. It looks almost like an app. So I think this looks great and I want this design. However, I want it to fit my use case. So now that you have a good idea of what the template looks like, let's go ahead and remix it. You can click the Remix with AI button rather than start from template. This tells Onepage you want to keep the structure, but generate all new content around your topic. So once I click this, you'll see the AI prompt box. This is where you'll tell the AI what kind of page you want to create. You can keep it short, just describe your use case clearly. For example, product page for a paper tablet, or something more specific like remarkable, paper tablet for thinkers, feels like real paper, infinite notebooks, syncs everywhere, and battery lasts for weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate this, and then we can watch as the Onepage AI begins remixing our template. So we'll get a detailed step-by-step of what the AI is creating. So we have the quiz being created, we have the advantages section, the specs section. So you're gonna watch it remix the entire template in front of you. So as you can see, it's rewriting the headlines, the CTAs, the section text, and then even the tone while still keeping the design structure that you already like intact. So we'll let this generate a little bit longer. Okay, so we get a confirmation that our page has been created. Let's go ahead and approve this. And once it's generated, you'll see the remixed version appear instantly. You can scroll through and notice how the core layout stays the same, but everything else feels tailored to your new goal. So we have a really nice hero, remarkable, the paper tablet for thinkers, experience the revolutionary digital notebook that feels like real paper, and then it also referenced what we said in our prompt. So we have a really nice funnel that was built. This is about a 3-step funnel. That looks awesome. We have some spec sections, some further specs, some user testimonials, and this all matches the template that we chose to remix. So of course you can click into any section to tweak the copy or the visuals further. So if I wanted to change this image, I could change any of this text. I could use the AI writer to improve any of this, but this is a really great starting point. So the idea here is to use the AI as your creative jumpstart, not a final draft. So let's try one more, something totally different. We'll go back to create and then find a template. I'm going to do the portfolio page this time, and I'm going to remix with AI. And for my prompt, I'm going to say personal brand landing page for UX designer, and then I said the name, looking to showcase their work and secure more clients. So I'll go ahead and generate this, and then we can watch on our sidebar. I'm generating a header section for Emily Johnson's personal brand page. I'm creating the hero section. I'm adding a section highlighting the key strengths as a UX designer. I'm adding a marquee gallery to showcase logos. I'm creating a section to detail Emily Johnson's professional experience and skills. So we're using the same template that we like. We like the design, we liked the colors possibly, but we're adjusting it for our use case. Okay, so we got our confirmation that our page has been created. We can approve this. And then as you can see, it looks the same as a template, but we have all new copy, tone, and even some different images. So we have experienced UX designer crafting intuitive digital experiences. We have some nice features. We have a professional journey. So this is some of the work that she's done. We have the design toolkit. So this is super great. We have all the different softwares that she uses. some nice testimonials, frequently asked questions, and then we have all of the copy updated to match our prompt. So you could easily adapt this again for a photographer, a consultant, or a coach. It's that flexible. This feature is perfect when you want to either reuse your best performing template for a different niche or audience, A/B test multiple versions of the same page fast, or repurpose an old landing page into a new campaign. For example, we could ask the AI to turn a consulting page into a free strategy call funnel. We could also ask it to turn a SaaS product launch page into a beta access page, or you can also refresh a webinar funnel for your next event without having to start over completely from scratch. This remix feature is designed to save hours of rebuilding. It takes what you already know works, the layout, the spacing, and the flow, and just injects fresh content. You get a new page that feels unique, but still follows a proven structure. And that's it. That's how you remix your templates with Onepage AI. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your brand pages fresh without reinventing the wheel every time. Now it's your turn. Open Onepage, create a new project, and start experimenting with templates that you like. Try a few different prompts and see how much faster you can begin building. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Onepage channel so you never miss feature tutorials and feature updates. Thanks for watching and have fun building with Onepage AI.